back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. Now, I'm going to keep this one very short, sweet, and to the point. This one is going to be great for those of you who have great experience and knowledge in using a computer and doing data entry. Maybe you can type very well. If you have great skills like that, I always say, why not move up into leadership roles? Why not be over another team, leading them, guiding them, and coaching them on what they can do better? That is what this is. We have a data entry lead position from the company Amplify. Now, Amplify has 619 reviews on Glassdoor from past and current employees. They do have an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.9 out of 5 stars. And they are hiring a data entry lead. Now, this is going to be a 1099 contractor position. It is remote work from home for the United States. And real quickly, I just want to ask, if you enjoy job leads like this, let me know. Give this video a thumbs up like button. And if you know anybody who could benefit from this, please share with them. Now, Amplify is an education type company. They're a pioneer in the K-12 education space since the year 2000. So going on to 24 years now. So they've been around for a while. And they are basically looking for somebody to lead and coach their data entry team. You'll manage multiple projects at the same time, coaching and training these data entry specialists. You'll also help develop training material to give these specialists. So you will have to conduct one-on-one meetings with each team member to give them feedback on what they're doing great and what they could do better. And you'll have to run reporting and kind of track and monitor their workload, communicate any areas of concerns that you see up to managers, just identify trends and potential data risk and concerns. So you're not actually doing the data entry yourself. You are managing the team that does it. Now, of course, they prefer associate's degree, but it's not required as long as you have at least 1 year of experience. They want somebody who has leadership skills or the ability to learn leadership skills. So somebody who is just willing to learn, has that strategic thinking, a problem-solving mindset, great communication skills, and of course, you've got to know how to use a computer. But the pay for this position is $23 an hour. All right, if you made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, please feel free to leave in the comments anything that you're looking for. I never make any promises, but I do read those and keep that in mind. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like button if you enjoyed it, share with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.